Here's our hydraulic operated water well drilling rig. Here's a sled. This should slide all the way up and down, giving us 12 foot of clearance for drill stem when we do find drill stem. Our water swivel, push water into the center of the drill stem to flush out our cuttings. Hydraulic motor, drive motor. Come down here. And it's going to be our drive chain. We have a chain going to run all the way up and back down around the backside to the sprocket. Then we have it come out here and we have another hydraulic motor geared down so we can pick up all of our drill stem. It's going to be our valve body. Pick it up and down, turn it round and round. The third one eventually, because right now we're going to make it to where it hooks on the back of a tractor with the 3-point hookup. There's the pins. We don't have it built yet. But then eventually we're going to build it on a trailer. Have a hydraulic cylinder here, tilt it up and down so when you're driving down the road. But that's about all we got so far. We used 4-inch channel with a piece of 2 3/8 pipe spacing as our mass. And that's about it so far. We still got to get a couple parts. Another piece of shaft. That one's too small. We need 1 1/4 shaft. That's only 1 1/8 shaft for our bearing blocks. Have 2 bearing blocks and a gear way at the top. Once we get all that done, cut a hole in the floor. Little piece of 10-inch piece of pipe sticking up. There we have our tongs, or to be able to clamp onto our drill stem. That's about it.